What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another video about Algorand. Normally I say welcome back to another video about Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, and all that good stuff. But at the end of the day, we're just talking about Algorand. I'm O'Prius of Nerdy Dude Stuff. I'm officially calling you guys the Nerdy Dude Squad, the ND Squad. That's our Call of Duty team. So I want to branch that out to all of you subscribers and followers that we are officially becoming the ND Squad. Thank you very much for being here with us. If you guys haven't liked or commented or subscribed, please consider doing that right now. And welcome to the ND Squad. Today, we are going to talk about Algorand. We are going to show you how to purchase Algorand, and then we're going to kind of like go over some stuff that we've discovered in the past few days. Like, you know, I love doing these videos and I love doing cryptocurrency content because at the same time, even though I pretend to be an expert in the subject, I'm still learning every single day. So the last video that we did some like, you know, bogus math. I mean, it was some solid math, but we did some math about how much Algorand we had and compounding, blah, blah, blah. And then one of you guys, one of my commenters, if you're a subscriber, thank you very much. You showed us an easier method to the shenanigans that we were pulling. Also, in the past week, I have received 3 tips in Algorand, one for 2 Algorand, one for 0.75 Algorand, and one for 1.5 Algorand. My 2.0 Algorand tipper left a comment there, and I was able to, like, you know, thank you for it. But if you were the one that tipped me 0.75 Algorand, or if you tipped me 1.5 Algorand, you didn't leave a comment, but thank you very much for that tip. I appreciate it. If you guys are ever so inclined or so gracious, there's a QR code above my head, and there's also my Algorand wallet in the description for this video. All tips are greatly appreciated. I used to do a bunch of videos on referral programs like BetFury, where we would collect referrals there, but like YouTube doesn't really, like, you know, we see you have a little bit of referrals here, but YouTube really doesn't like the referral programs, and it really hits the channel. So I'm not promoting that as much. If you guys want to do BetFury, link for that is in the description, but I'm not promoting that channel or that platform as much as possible. So all Algorand tips, if you guys ever feel so inclined, QR code, wallet in the description. Thank you very much. For those of you keeping track at home, the drink of the day is called Take 5 Hard Seltzer. It's cherry. My wife and I just had a date day today. We both called off for work. We took some PTO to have a date day because we haven't had that opportunity since we have twin daughters. They're going to be 2 in April. My in-laws had them, and we just haven't had that time to ourselves, so we really wanted to make today a day to ourselves. So we went to a couple of breweries, and I actually met the brewmaster that created this hard seltzer. You know, I got talking that back in September, I was 260 pounds, and I wanted to lose weight. I wasn't happy. As of today, I'm 194 pounds, and one of the big things was giving up beer and switching over to hard seltzers. And so then he was like, hey man, I make this hard seltzer, like, give it a try. And he hooked us up. So this is the cherry flavor. And to you, sir, I know you're probably not watching my video, but cheers to you. Thank you very much. Anywho, all right, so Algorand today, we are looking at this at $1.15. The reason why we're doing this video is because Algorand's low. It's low based on the past week that we've done videos. I think we were at like $1.50 or the $1.60 in the first video that we did. And we're at $1.35 in like the last video that we did. We're at $1.15. So some people are panicking, and I'm not panicking because the very first video that I did for Algorand, we bought at $1.26. I'm not lying. I will show it in the videos. We bought Algorand let me rephrase all of that. We bought Algorand at 26 cents, not $1.26. We bought Algorand at 26 cents, and that was on November 18th. Look at my video that I posted 3 days ago. The reason why I'm saying that is because I posted these Algorand videos, and a few people have actually come through and they've asked me how to purchase Algorand. So I wanted to do this in a brief moment to where I actually go through and show you how to purchase Algorand in the easiest method possible. This is going to be on Coinbase. For those of you that are in the crypto space, you know that Coinbase has heavy fees. And I understand that there's probably better ways to go about this, but if you are someone that is brand new to the crypto space, I will promote Coinbase nonstop. So Algorand is sitting at $1.15. And the reason why I feel good about doing that today to do this video is because I'm going to actually buy Algorand on video, so that way I can stake it and send it to my Algorand wallet, which you see the QR code above my head and you see the wallet address in the description for this video. That's where we're going to be sending Algorand. I'm going to be showing you how to do that. And then we're going to be showing you exactly what those staking rewards are going to be. So we are going to jump over to our Coinbase account. Let's just hit refresh here. While we're doing that, all right, so currently in Coinbase, I have $132.98. If you actually scroll down to my portfolio, I think I've got like $6 in like Dia. I've got like $2 in Algorand here. All right, so we're going to go to Bitcoin. I actually have $117 worth in Bitcoin. Where is it? Right here. $117 worth in Bitcoin. I'm going to actually be buying $117 worth of Algorand right now. I don't think I'm actually going to be showing on camera me transferring it to my Algo wallet just because there's a few steps involved and I have to pull up my personal email, but I'm going to be sending that over. So what exactly did I do? Really, I'll be 100% transparent and honest with you. This $117 in Algorand has been my past 5 days of dividend payouts for being on BetFury here. So I've collected myself 0.22 or 0.0022 worth of Bitcoin in the past week or so, and I transferred that over to Coinbase so that way I could do this transaction. This is all dividend rewards from BetFury. But if you are someone that wants to actually get into Algorand for the very first time, you're saying, how can I buy Algorand? You create a Coinbase account. There's a link in the description for this video to create a Coinbase account. And every $100 that when you spend $100 on Coinbase, you're going to get a bonus $10 for signing up under my link. And then I get a bonus $10 as well. So you sign up on that link and then you hit this buy, sell button over here. And then you link your bank account, you link your debit card, so on and so forth. Once you do all of that, it takes, a day or so. When you go into the currency of your choice, so actually let's go into Algorand. So you can see right now I've got 1.98 Algorand over here. Once you go into Algorand, you're going to have this screen pulled up on your computer. You're going to see up here buy and sell. You're going to hit buy and sell once your bank account is linked. And then you're going to see here, I have Center State Bank. You don't see any of my information other than I have Center State Bank. I'm going to buy Algorand, and let's say I'm going to buy $100 worth of Algorand. I'm not doing that right now because I've got Bitcoin to do it. But if I hit preview, I'll hit preview buy. I'm fine with that. So if I were to buy $100 worth of Algorand right now, I'm buying $100 worth of Algorand at $1.16 per Algo token. It's going to actually be a total of $97.01 with a Coinbase fee of $2.99. Once you do that, then now you're going to have 83 Algorand that you can hold on Coinbase and you earn yourself 6% APY, or you can send it out to your Algorand wallet, which we're going to show that here in just a moment. I have this ready to go, and then you're going to earn yourself, I think it's 7.25 on there, and we're going to clear that record up right now. So being that we're on camera, I'm actually going to show support for Algorand, and I'm actually going to buy Algorand, and I'm going to send that Algorand to my Algo wallet to hold long-term, because $1.15 is a solid price. I think it hit 98 cents earlier today, and I wish I was at my computer. I'm glad I took my wife out on a date, and I would never trade that up for the world. But I would have loved to buy Algorand at 98 cents a pop. So anyway, we currently have $117.54 in Bitcoin. We are now going to purchase Algorand with that Bitcoin. So let's find out here. We're going to go back to Algorand. Hang on one second. We're going to do that all on camera. I always do this on my computer, so it's a lot easier. But let's see. So we're going to buy Algorand. No, we're going to convert. So we are going to convert here Bitcoin to Algorand. And I'm going to hit convert all. So I've got $117.54 worth of Bitcoin. That's going to get me 100 Algorand, and we're going to convert that right now. And what I did there is I went to Algorand token, and then I went to buy and sell up here in the top. That's fine. I went up to here, buy and sell at the top. And since I already have cryptocurrency on here, and then I went to convert, and then I selected the cryptocurrency that I wanted to convert over to Algorand. So I wanted to convert Bitcoin into Algorand, and then I did max value, and I convert. Now, I have some Ethereum over on Coinbase, or not Coinbase. I have some Ethereum. Where is it? I have some Ethereum over on here. I have 0.0176 Ethereum. And I could send that over and do it there, but I'm not going to at the moment. What is that? ETH to USD. Is that even worth transferring right now? You got to do a calculator if you want to get it. Let's, do it right. Calculator. I'm just stalling at the moment. So I've got 0.0176. So I've got $31 worth of Ethereum over here on BetFury. The rest of it I have locked up in these boxes. Oh, is there another box? Free box, smart box, which is BNB. Love box, I already have it. Yeah, so we've got other boxes locked up. So we could send over our Ethereum, which is currently at $31, and buy more Algorand, but we're not going to do that. Anyway, so just delaying there. Let's see if we've actually had the transaction come through now. Let's see how fast that goes. So boom. So there we go. Live on camera, we had purchased ourselves 100 Algorand. We have 102 currently sitting there. And then off camera, we are going to send that Algorand over to our actual Algorand wallet, which is the QR code above my head or the wallet description address below. Now, we just bought ourselves 100 Algorand. Let's actually pull up the official Algorand Explorer calculator, which a few of you commenters have pointed me to. I really, really appreciate that instead of me trying to do bad math. So let's just go from here. We are planning to compound daily, so we'll check that mark. We just bought ourselves 100 Algorand. Let's plug that in. So let's take a look at what 100 Algorand will do for us. That's what compounding daily. So we are going to earn on that 100 Algorand alone a weekly earning of 0.126559 Algorand, a monthly earning of 0.566371 Algorand, and then a yearly earning, I'm pulling my Algorand wallet right now, a yearly earning of 7.213596 Algorand. Let's refresh my Algorand wallet here. So on my Algorand wallet, I officially have 3,492.84 Algorand. But when I transfer this 100 over, and the reason why I'm not transferring the full 102 over is because I want to leave 2 Algorand on Coinbase just to continue to generate those rewards, we are going to be looking at 3,592 Algorand, which is going to give us a weekly earning of 4.5 Algorand, a monthly earning of 20.34 Algorand, and a yearly earning of 259 Algorand. Not too solid. Not too bad. Not too bad. Block rewards per block, 40 Algorand per block. Block time, 4.3 seconds. Participating algos, that's what everything is there. So that gives us a yield of 7.21%. This, on Nerdy Dude Stuff, is the official answer. Current annual yield is 7.21% holding Algorand in your Algorand wallet. Holding it over on Coinbase. You guys see my new tattoo? Where is it? Oh, it's the Dragon Balls. Dragon Ball Z. Yeah, and it's a Goku shadow. Can I show it? It's like upside down, but it's like Goku's silhouette. And then I've got the Dragon Balls all collected there. And since my daughter's birthday is April 3rd, I've got the 4-star Dragon Ball and the 3-star Dragon Ball right there. And they're the only Dragon Balls that are in completion. But anywho, the Algorand wallet officially is 7.21%. The Coinbase wallet is 6%. And you can see that right here. Look at that number go. Look at that. Very, very solid. Anyway, that's it for me today, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Thanks for dealing with me. Thanks for all the support, love, like, comment, subscribe. Hit me up on Twitter, Discord, Telegram. If you ever feel ever so inclined, send an Algorand tip, QR code above my head, wallet in description. Really, really appreciate it. I am O'Price at Nerdy Do Stuff. Cheers to you guys. We'll see you next time.